welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a crochet braids with expression twisted up right there. So I will be doing a leave out, so I'm gonna leave a middle part out, my edges out. I'm gonna put a clip there for you guys to see. I did do this hairstyle once before, but it was with a different hair, and I forgot the name of the hair, so I'll probably write it down, the name of the hair that I did it with. And this one I'm using for the first time, and I'm using it straight as crochet braids, and I'm not twisting it first. So I'm probably gonna twist it after when I'm ready to style and everything. So I'm expecting the curl pattern not to be the same as how it was when I did it with the other style, because the other style was already pre-twist. It had like a twist out pattern already. But this one, I mean, the curl pattern is fine, but it's probably gonna be puffy. I don't really like my crochet braids to be too puffy, so I usually put more in the back and then I thin it out as I get on top. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. That's why I only got one pack of hair. Pray for me. I hope it's enough. Did this side. I don't know if you can tell, this is one big doo-doo braid and one big doo-doo braid, and I pinned them together. Separate this in like two, and I'm only gonna tie the hair once. Actually, I can make it three. Pretty sturdy. It's gonna match my texture. some jam on my edges because that turns into grease. Doesn't leave a residue, so. This is it. You can see how it blends. I honestly don't even have to do my edges if I don't want to, so this is the finished product. I'm gonna spin around and let you guys see what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this channel with your friends. I know I'm not as consistent as I want to be, but I'm working on it. I promise.